Chevy powerhouse.
Congratulations, you've done it. You've bought your new vehicle from Jim Butler Chevrolet. Now, with the help of sales manager Alex Cox, let us show you around the place a little bit, where we promise you'll be receiving powerhouse service.
I don't think you'll be disappointed at all.
Inside and on your right, you'll find the spot to kick back in style if there's any waiting to be done. Our lounge provides cozy seating, TV, and complimentary items like water, coffee, and donuts.
On the hot days, we'll do water, but donuts, everybody loves free donuts. We have snacks, free Wi-Fi for all of our customers, and then we also have a charging station for your telephone.
Your first stop is the one that, granted, some folks dread, the financing department. Well, here we're going to make it fast and easy. Our 7 business offices are staffed with experts who will get you in and out with the financing and protection you need for your new car or truck.
It's nothing to dread. We do this every day, 10, 12 times a day minimum.
The service center is just around the side of the building, and the big doors will open automatically when you pull up.
You'll check in your car over here where one of our service riders will greet you and come and get all the information off of your car.
The shop, it's the spot you'll probably find most important in the coming years, and ours will provide you with nothing but confidence. We have a garage full of master technicians who will be putting your car through a 22-point inspection every time it comes through. We're a recommended GM dealer for a reason, and we have been for years. Top quality care is the reason why. That's why the folks who work here are the first in line to bring their own vehicles in.
100%. I service all of my cars. My friends, my family, and my neighbors all service their cars with us.
If there are small jobs you'd rather do yourself, you need look no further than our parts department inside. From paint to wipers to accessories, you'll find it all here, and it's available at the most competitive prices. Once you're done, the cashier's window is just past the waiting area, down the hall and on the right.
10:45 with Mike Johnson, okay?
If you hate getting a robot on the phone when you call a business, it will not happen at Jim Butler Chevrolet. Look, live human beings answering the phone. If you have a question or need to make an appointment, you'll be talking to people in our building who know our business. At the end of the day, it is all about you and your new vehicle. Our job is to help you in any way we can. The car buying experience is just the beginning of what we promise will be a powerhouse relationship with Jim Butler Chevrolet.
Jim Butler is the Chevy powerhouse.